Welcome in, y'all. Salon Diva V, and I am in my garden, y'all. It's been raining for the past 2 weeks, and as you guys can see, that grass back there is overgrown. I'm out here today, cleaning up, weed eating all of the overgrown grass. I haven't been out here in about 2 weeks. The sun is going down and I'm pretty much finished. I'm tired. And I got all of this done right here. And all of this section over here. I just have that little section right there to go. We took the cabinet that was right here and we moved it over to over here. That is some stuff that I've accumulated that I need to clean up. As you guys can see, the bananas is going bananas. So the thing I'm tripping on is I got the beginning of when I overwintered this, right? So when I first put it outside, it gave me some calyx. Now I've been waiting for some more so I can make me some more tea, and it's not doing nothing. It's beasted out. It's big, but it's not giving me any more of the fruit. So I'm guessing I have to wait for August again. These moon glow, moon flowers, whatever they are. This is suffocating my flower. I need to get that off of there. Yo, I haven't planted that in my garden in years, and it keeps coming back every year. And there's no flowers. It's just vines and vines and vines taking over everything. The beans that I planted over there are doing good, and it has some flowers on it. Let's go walk over there and see. I didn't weed eat this area. I need to put some kind of trellis on here, but that's the flower. I don't know. Oh, and the beans are coming, so y'all see them. All right. Sweet potatoes back there. Volunteer sweet potatoes. I'll never do that again because every year I have sweet potatoes growing back here. We have some very little. I guess I need to pull these off of here. Jalapenos growing. This one is starting to spruce up. This is a tomato plant. That's a tomato plant. And I made a mistake and cut that one back, and it's starting to grow back again. This year, the garden took its time on doing anything like this. This has been planted in here for months. I don't know if it was the soil mix that I used, but it hasn't been doing anything. This bolted, as you guys can see, these are greens. They bolted. The flowers are doing well, exceptionally well. Look at those zinnias. I'm about to cut some of them and make me an arrangement. The cucumbers are starting to grow. This is my second sunflower. The basil is basiling. This is a tomato plant. Carolina Reaper down here that plant has been that size since I put it in the ground. These beans, I don't even want to lie to y'all. The tag is probably underneath there somewhere. And then again, maybe I didn't put it underneath there. The kale is a monster. As So let's go over here. The 1, 2, 3 pineapples are doing well. For whatever reason, this one is just struggling. I don't know why. But yeah, these suckers are beasting it out. The garlic I planted this year is doing well. I need to harvest these potatoes. That's what I need to do. My mirliton is, I guess it's too much rain. It's dying back. I can never get mirliton to live. The watermelon and the cantaloupe. And I have a baby watermelon over here, y'all. I got strawberries. But look, I have a baby watermelon right there. And I think I put either cantaloupe or honeydew melon over there. Y'all know I put the what you call it, the labels over here. Yeah, my grapevine is not doing too well. Probably because I don't have it vined up the way I need it to be. And I took it away. It was over here, and I took it away. So that's probably why. Everything over here is doing well. This fell again in the rain, so I just left it on the ground. Maybe one day I'll get me a real tower and not the Dollar Tree one. What else? I didn't come out here to do a what you call that, garden tour. I just came out here to show you guys with all this rain. I already be fighting with the weeds. I just came out to show you guys. My fight continues. So yeah, I'm gonna finish cleaning this up, and tomorrow the journey will continue. I need some cucumbers. Okay, so since we are out here, let's go ahead and do this potato harvest and see if we have any potatoes. This is the Gold Rush seed potato. I should just say Gold Rush potato. Okay, they small. All right, let's see. Let me try to hold this phone and do this at the same time. I wish I had something to put this soil in. I think that's it, y'all. I think this gave us a very little harvest. A very, very little harvest. Yeah, I think that's it. Yep, ladies and gentlemen, that is all of the potatoes that we harvested. All right, now to do something else with this soil. That is our potatoes right there. Not very many do we have, do we? All right. That's the only thing about using this weed eater. At first I thought it was user error, but now I see it's just this thread is cheap. I haven't found a thicker grade of string for this type of machine. I don't care that I have to plug it in. Because it was I think I only paid like $39 for this, and it was only for the purpose of trying to maintain this garden. But this part right here with the trying to keep the weeds down, that in itself can be discouraging. So I say that to say, if you have a garden and you have weeds and you're trying to prevent the grass and the weeds, I would tell you to put you some strong weed fabric down. I did it this way because it was the more affordable way for me. I used the I use the composters trash bags. Now after a while, the weeds don't come through the plastic itself. It comes from where the cracks, so where if the trash bags meet together, if they have an opening where the sun can get in, that's where the weeds are gonna grow. So if you're gonna use the compactors trash bags, I would tell you to like make sure you overlap your trash bags and you won't have this problem. Also, what I don't like, I don't know if you experienced this with the actual weed cover that you buy, but in certain parts of the garden, it's like water is trapped underneath there, and when I walk, I can feel it is mushy, and I don't like that feeling. I probably could just mulch the area. That probably will cut down on the weeds also. Um, but I'm waiting for another chip drop. That was a process in itself to have that chip drop come and drop those chips. It covered the whole entire garden, but man, that was a work out. That, yeah, that's a job right there in itself. Um, so I'm working what I got to get what I need done. Okay, so this is as far as I got. Not very far at all. The problem that I keep running into, which is stressful in itself, is this is a brand new, already wired spool of string, and it keeps getting tangled. This is brand new out the pack. I can't mess this up. You put it in a damn machine and it's supposed to do what it's due. As soon as I get to doing this area, it keeps getting tangled on, and I could see if it was getting tangled in the big one. It's getting tangled in this little short area right here. Now I did all of this over here with the first string that was already, that first spool was fine. Second spool did this. I say, okay, well, maybe it's the spool. Let me get the third one. Same thing. This is ridiculous. It's like I can't get nothing done, and it's frustrating. I'm sick and tired of fooling with this. It makes me not even want to be out here. The garden is supposed to be my happy place, and I'm real frustrated. Okay, so I got my husband's cobalt weed eater, and this thing makes a big difference. Got more power. I done that whole section over there and didn't have to move pull a line or nothing. Nothing popped out. It didn't eat all of the wire up. So I might have to get me one of them. All right. Let's dig in to this section. Okay, so that's that area. So we have all of the flower pots picked up, the tomato cages, majority of the wood. I'm trying to put it right there just to create another, I guess, foundation for the greenhouse. That is going to be moved and put into the greenhouse. So this will be my next project, to organize all of these flower pots that's up in here. So we have this area cleaned, and I'm thinking about putting this against the wall right here. And I think that's what I'm gonna do. But before I do that, I'm gonna put some cardboard boxes right there to prevent the weeds from coming back. Have to clean up this area, and oh, I still have another spot Good Lord, I forgot. So let's go walk over here to show you guys what all I did. All in between the beds have been done. Hey, y'all, it's hot out here. Around the banana plants. That's my 2 okra plants. Right here. I left this little row right here of sweet potatoes. And I forgot about this section right here. Y'all, it's hot. I'm tired. And I think that's going to have to be pulled up by hand. I don't know what that is. And I still have to get this a little cleaner. But for today, it's going to be what it is. We have some beans growing on the vine. And I think these are the Taiwanese long beans. So, yeah. It's hot. I'm starting to shake. So I'm going inside. I did eat. I have been drinking water. So I guess it's just too hot out here for me. So that's gonna do it for today's video, y'all. I'm gonna take these cardboard boxes and make a border for that aluminum stand, metal stand, whatever you want to call it, and then I'll be done for the day. Salon Diva V, and a place to be, my garden. I'll see you guys in the next video. You know what it is. Peace. And look at this trash. A brand new daggone roll. Just messed up.